Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be taking you along with me when I went to Grenada, and I'll be doing a room tour at the Royalton. So if you want to see where we stayed, then just keep on watching. So this is how it looks when you first enter the room. This is the hallway over here, and there's the bathroom, which I will show you after, and there's a really huge closet, which is nice for when you're getting ready. It has nice lighting over here, and in the closet there is an extra blanket and a pillow. There's also a robe and some slippers. There's a safe and just a lot of area to store your items. And this is how the room looks. Very beautiful. I love the design of it. So this is a king-size bed, and there is 2 bedside tables there with some lamps, lots of good lighting, a nice fan. It's very comfortable in here, and I'll just show you from this angle. So there's the TV, and in the cabinet here there is a mini fridge that gets restocked. So inside there just has some complimentary juices and drinks and some water. And then when you come over to this side, it looks like this. Nice little living area and a nice place to sit down. And I'll show you how the balcony looks in the day, because I'm just filming this at night right now. And I'll just show you the other side of here. It's a very beautiful room. So this is the beautiful view from the patio here. And it's just overlooking the front, and then the beach is just down over there. And on the patio, there's 2 loungers. Over there, a little sitting area, and a nice jacuzzi. So everything about this room is a 10 out of 10. The only thing that I would suggest is by the door, as you can see, we have this towel here. So then we just put it across, because unfortunately there is a space underneath the door, and it's enough space to let bugs in. So there's not like a ton of bugs in the hotel, and our room didn't have many mosquitoes at all, but there is this bug. It's called a congreve. It looks like equivalent to like a caterpillar, so it could just crawl underneath your door, and you don't want that to happen. So we've been putting a towel, and that has made a huge difference. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and overall we had a wonderful time staying at the Royalton. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!